Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus was an explorer in the 15th century. But what is an explorer? An explorer is a person who travels to places where little is known and discovers what is there. Columbus travelled to land unknown to Europeans. They had not yet been mapped. For many years, sailors had travelled to the East Indies, where they could buy silken spices to sell to Europeans. At this time, European sailors would travel east, around the bottom of Africa, to reach the East Indies. Which way is east? There are four main directions on a compass, including north, east, south, and west. E is for east, and this is the direction sailors would travel to reach the East Indies. Few Europeans had travelled west, and little was known about what was there. Many people were afraid to travel west, believing they would come to the edge of the world. Columbus had an idea that the world was round, but he thought it was much smaller than it is. Columbus thought that if he sailed west, he would sail around the world and reach the East Indies from this side. In 1492, Queen Isabella of Spain agreed to give Columbus money for his voyage west. On the 3rd of August, 1492, Columbus took 3 ships west, hoping to circle the world and reach the East Indies. How do you think Columbus and his men felt? How would you feel going on an unknown expedition? At this time, sailors used star navigation, compass, and astrolabes to know which direction they were travelling in. The journey across the Atlantic Ocean took longer than Columbus expected. Finally, on the 11th of October, 1492, Columbus saw land. He thought he had found the Indies. However, Columbus did not know there was a large area of land to the west of Europe. On the 12th of October, 1492, Christopher Columbus and his men set foot on the land they thought was the Indies. Columbus thought he had found a route to the Indies from the west and named the area the West Indies. However, Columbus had actually travelled to a group of islands known as the Bahamas. On this voyage, Columbus continued on to Cuba before returning to Spain. Columbus made 3 more journeys west after this. In 1493, Columbus returned to explore more of the West Indies. On his 3rd voyage, in 1498, Columbus travelled to Venezuela in South America. And on his final voyage, in 1502, Columbus travelled to Central America. In 1506, Christopher Columbus died, believing he had found new routes to the Indies. However, Columbus did not find new routes to the Indies. Instead, he had begun the exploration of the Americas by Europeans. A timeline shows us the order of events in history and helps us to understand why things happened when they happened. For your hands-on activity, create a timeline to show the order of events in Columbus' journeys west. For more information about this activity and more activities related to Christopher Columbus, please go to handsoneducation.com. Year 1, Columbus. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye!